We're not given any lengths of the pyramids in this question, and hence the little key thing is this word here, similar. So we've got to use the fact that they're similar to help us solve this question. We're told that A has a surface area of 180 centimeters squared, so I'm just going to write that by it in blue, and then 80 for pyramid B. So I can work out not the length scale factor, but the area scale factor, like how much bigger one area is than the other, by doing 180 divided by 80, which is actually, I can do this without a calculator, it's going to be 18 divided by 8, so it's going to be 9 over 4, it's going to be 2.25. So that's what I would divide by if I was going this way. I would divide by 2.25, and if I was going the other way, I would times by 2.25 for the area, that is. But I want to work out how the volume scale factor, because now I've got the volume of pyramid A as being 810, but I can't divide that by 2.25 because I don't know the volume scale factor. So what I need to do is first of all work out the length scale factor. And if I just want to backtrack and give you a bit of a reminder. So if I have, say, lengths of 1, then the area is 1. If I have lengths of 2 and 2, the area becomes 4. You can see that a length scale factor of 2 gives me, I should have drawn these in blue, a different color, gives me an area scale factor of 2 squared, or 4. So I square the length scale factor to get the area scale factor. That's what I'm trying to tell you here. So to get from the area scale factor back to the length scale factor, I actually square root 2.25. I'm not dividing here. Okay, I'm just doing a calculation. I've got the area scale factor. I'm trying to find the length scale factor. And then let's work that out. The square root of 2.25 gives us 1.5. Okay, now how does that help? Because if I was then work out the volume, if I was to turn these into cubes, then suddenly the volume of this one would be 1 by 1 by 1. It would be 1 meter cubed or whatever. Whereas this one would be 2 by 2 by 2. It would actually be 8 meters cubed. And so what I see is if the length scale factor is 2, the volume scale factor, I actually cube it because I've got this length scale factor in 3 dimensions. The length's changing in 3 dimensions, and so the volume is going to be 8 times as big. So in this case, my volume scale factor is not going to be 8 because my length scale factor is 1.5, but it's going to be 1.5 cubed. And I suppose I could work that out. And I've got 3.375. So finally, right, I want to get from from 810 to 240, show that. So I've got a little bit of space here. Volume of B equals, it's going to be this 810 that I have, divided by the volume scale factor, 3.375. And let's hope it comes out as 240. 810 divided by answer, there we go. 240 centimeter squared. And it's a show that question, so I'm just going to write as required. Okay, I've gone into some depth there, but that is how we deal with that question.